joke. Low, low, low. Buenos dias, D-Rock here. Welcome to the channel. I hope you all are well. That's right, back on Lake Mead, right at the end of May, early June, late spring. I'm here. It's hot. It'll be 103 degrees today. And finally, I was able to get a day out here where the wind is not howling. I mean, it's supposed to blow maybe 10 miles per hour today. That's cool. Right off the back, water temperature is 76 degrees. Man, it's warm. If you had any doubts about the lake being low, it is low. I don't know. As a matter of fact, I'm curious as to how much longer the ramp here at Echo Bay is going to be viable. Who knows? Anyway, where am I going today and what am I doing? I'm not 100% sure. I may shoot out to Temple Bar and work my way back to Overton Arm here. I guess I've never fished this time of year out here. It's always been in the winter thus far. So I'm curious to see how things are going to be. Right off the bat, when I was walking back to the boat, I saw, maybe they were shad, I don't know. Looked like a little small largemouth. Bunch of minnows at the water's edge there at the ramp. So I've never seen that before. These are just little observations I'm picking up as I'm coming out and trying this lake out as the year progresses, and hopefully I can continue to do so, launching the boat, that is, because the water's just going to get lower. I don't foresee anything coming down the pipe anytime soon, so who knows, fingers crossed. But regardless, let's get out there, let's get fishing, and hopefully we catch something today. Okay, sun hasn't been up for very long. That's good. It's going to be a cooker today, and I'm just gonna start. I mean, I'm literally right around the corner from the ramp. I'm just gonna start pitching. What do I got here? Try a little Rapala for a second, then I'll make my way down. Just a couple quick casts, see what's happening, if anything. Y'all know the story. Start out with a little Rapala shad wrap here. Just pitching here, see if anything's hanging out. I'm gonna try out a new lure today too. Just picked this up. Let's see, rattling Rapala, kind of like a rattle trap. Pretty noisy, lipless, sinking, kind of heavier, so I can cast it far, troll it, all those good things. We'll give this a shot too, and then of course I'll use some plastics, Ned rig, grubs, whatever. Oh, you hear that? What was that? It was just in there. Probably a giant carp. Just gonna do a quick little troll around this cliff base. It's about 60 feet. I see things on the graph. They're more than likely carp. We'll give this shot for a minute and then head on down, head somewhere anyway. Well, now I got lots of daylight, so I can give it a good 12 hours out here today, dang near, and that's just what I'm going to do. We're gonna fish. So last time I was here, Jen was with me. It was, what was that? I think it was early March. It was still cold. It's nice to be out here and not have 10 pounds of clothing on. That's a plus. But I'm really curious how the fishing's going to be now that it's warmed up. Because let me tell you, it was tough fishing in the winter and very early spring. Maybe that's how it always is. I don't know. Yep, As usual, I come out here, man, expectations low, 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 low. Give it a shot. That structure right down there. 50 feet. There's a couple fish down there too. Maybe. See a little bass right there. It's cool to see fish other than carp. Roll out of here and try the next spot. Guggen trench hog, Texas rig. Is that gonna be the winner? All right, I'm out of the Overton Arm and heading to the Temple Bar area, but I'm gonna take a couple stops before I get over there. Fish on! Fish on! Oh no, fish on! What do we got? Oh, yes! It's happened, folks. My first Lake Mead smallie. Right on. Well, I'll be darned. Guess who didn't get skunked? All right, I was just casting back in this cove. That pattern's crawdad, if I remember correctly. This little number 5 shad rap. And I got it, I mean, it was literally right up on the bank and he hit it. And I got him. That's awesome. Troll into another cove here, give it a shot. See if anything's hanging out on the outside. Fish on. Fish on. Right? Yeah, fish on. Okay. Striper or smallie? Oh, no, it's striper. Oh, yes. I thought that was a pack of striper right there. Ooh, check that out. Striper. I'll take that too. I switched. This is a number 5 Rapala again, but that pattern right there, I think it's baby bass. I don't know, it's a little different than what I was using that crawdad, but that just picked up that little striper. Yeah, it's funny, I saw a small school right there at 35 feet, and I was like, that striper? And then, pow, got one. Follow it up to the boat. Son of a gun, they're in here. It's smallie. Ooh, dang, hit that. Son of a gun, I can't believe I stepped. All right, big striper just followed that one. They're in here. It is happening. Waiting right off that ledge. I can see him down there. All right, let's try something else. I'm gonna try a Ned rig. Might better troll this. It's a nice striper that came up on that one. Oh, whoa, there's a swarm of striper right here. Attacking that Ned rig. Come on, watch it. It was unbelievable. I mean, a swarm of them. I see them, they're going around it. Come on, pick it up, pick it up. Gotcha. Gotcha. Oh, dang it. It's a swarm of striper. I'm like stoked. This is unbelievable. Ah. All right. Good Lord. One more cast over here. Well, they're hitting on the Ned rig, but I missed them. Oh, gosh. That's good news. But there was a swarm. Nice striper. I'm gonna give this Ned rig another shot, then I'm gonna go back to trolling this area right here. Because there's fish in here. Smallies and striper. Trolling's not pulling anything up. That's strange. Alright, I'm going to switch to a different. This is the hardcore shad. I'm going to switch to that. We're going to troll around until we catch a fish in here. I know they're in here. Poof! They're gone. Crazy. Man, there's catfish everywhere. I'm gonna troll out of here. It's pretty amazing seeing all the fish. Seeing lots of bluegill, catfish, smallies, largies. It's I don't know, just like wow. I didn't think it's possible. Now catching them on the other hand has been a little different, but I'm seeing them. Yeah, fish. Yeah, what is that? It's a little one, whatever it is. Oh, it's a smallie. Oh no. Yeah, I'll take it. Nice. Another smallie, all right. All right, I've passed over a school, but they're deep. They're like 70 feet deep. So, put on a little cotton cordell. I'm gonna go deep. See if I can drag one out of there. Right behind the boat, so maybe. I don't have any anchovy. All right. Oof. Spoon did not do the trick. I see fish down there. It's back to trolling, I suppose. Multitasking at its finest. Well, that was interesting. Keep on moving and see what else I get into. I think we'll do some more trolling. Kind of these cliff walls right here. I'm gonna give this a shot. All right, I'm in the Temple Bar area. We're gonna give this a shot. Some trolling, some casting, see if anything happens, and if nothing does happen, we'll move on. Fish gotta be somewhere, right? Well, I don't really know the Temple Bar area that well. I've only been through once going up to Greg Basin, so I'm gonna take a minute and troll around, see what's happening, head farther down lake, see if we can find any striper, and then I'll start working my way back, I suppose. All right, doing some pitching, some casting in the Temple Bar area, and man, I've struck out hard. So I'm actually gonna head back to where I got into that action earlier with the striper at the mouth of that cove. Maybe we can find something there, and then maybe I'll head up into the Overton Arm again. Just checking things out. I didn't get skunked, so I can kind of do a little more exploring. And didn't do too well over here, obviously, so we're gonna go back and retrace our steps and see if there's any activity. All right, I've made it back to the cove, so I'm gonna troll on into the opening of this, see if the fish are there. We'll give this a while, and then if nothing happens, make our way back into Overton Arm, work that area. Water temperatures reached 80 degrees, and I just came over some fish. I got a tap, so I'm turned around and heading back. Come on, baby. 3 passes, 3 different lures. I got a tap on the first lure, and then I was just reeling this one in, and a striper was following it. They're down there, they're deep, they're like 75 feet deep. And I need to get one. So they're hanging off this ledge. That ledge goes from 30 to like 70 feet deep. So I'm gonna use one of these Berkeley smelts here. Whew, stank like that. Maybe we'll get a hit on that. So going back over there. They're over there. Let's try this again. See them down there. Not many, but they're down there. Yeah, that ain't working. Nothing. Go back to trolling. Son of a gun. All right, one more pass for this. Trolling. Some tough fish, man. Fish on. Fish on. Whew. That's gotta be a striper. That's too big for a small. Oh yeah, striper, they're following each other. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, that's a nice striper. Yep. Oh, I'll take that, huh? Look at that one. That's all right. It's a nice striper there. That broke the monotony, man. was a tough run. Let's see if we can get another one. I was casting when I got him. I'd stopped trolling. Fish on. Fish on. Fish on. Smallie. Yep. All right. They're in there. Fish on. Fish on. Oh, another smallie. Oh, all right. Oh, yeah. I will take every single one. Right on. Oh, fish on. Oh, what do I got? Oh, staying down. Striper, bass, catfish? What is it? Yeah, it's a catfish. All right. Oh, there we are. All right. Yeah, I hear you. There's my first Lake Mead catfish. Very nice. So I was just bumping this off the bottom, really slow drift here, coming off the shoreline, and about, it's pretty deep actually, and I came up and hit it. I mean, this thing stinks, man, let me tell you, but that's some action too, you know. That was pretty fun. Try that again. All right, y'all know what time it is. That's right. 7 hours now. I'm hungry, and nothing beats hunger like some homemade chicken, nuggets, and hot sauce. I'm telling you folks, can't be shy now. Cheers. Oh yeah, gotta eat because the afternoon might be hot. Well, it's gonna be hot, that's for sure. Action wise, who knows? So I'm gonna stuff my face for a second, refresh, and head back up to the Echo Bay area and try for something up there, or the Overton Arm, that is. Oh, fish on, fish on. That's it. Ah, all right. Yes. All right. Got a minnow, but I'll take it. Right. Yes. Today is now the day I've caught the most fish ever on Lake Mead. Right on. Oh, fish on again. Oh man. What am I gonna do now? Oh. Keeps happening. Boy, you're tiny. I'll take it. It's something, man. Right. Yeah, they're just getting smaller and smaller, aren't they? Good Lord. Well, at this point, I'm gonna head on back to the Overton Arm area and see what I can get into over there. So let's roll. Up on the Overton Arm now, way up there. It's mid-afternoon now. And let me tell you, it is cooking, it's roasting. Water temperature's 82.5 degrees. So I'm gonna have a look around, see if there's any striper or bass or anything up in here. Boy, the watercolor's definitely gone even murkier. More murky than I recall it being in the wintertime. I don't know, maybe it's the same. It's every bit of 100 degrees. Without a doubt. swear I'm almost seeing something like a striper boil out here. But that can't... Can that be? There's something all over the surface right up there. That can't be carp, can it? Can that be striper? Man, it could very well be. Use this. Oh, there they are. They're right in front of me now. Something's going on. Well, I got fish on the graph and I've seen them come to the surface, so I'm gonna start trolling the area. I'm 50 feet of water. Something's coming up. I don't think they're carp. Well, I don't know what's coming up on the surface. I can't get a good look at it. But I've tossed a few different lures at it and they're not hitting, so maybe it's not striper. All right, I just got a strike. Maybe they are a striper. Yeah, they're coming up off the bow again. I swear it looks like a striper slurp you'd see on Lake Powell. Oh, what do I got? It just came to the surface. Is that a smallie? Oh, excitement, finally. Striper or smallie? What's it gonna be? Oh, it's a striper. 50 feet of water. Oh, there we are. Yup. They're over here still. I'm good for another pass. Let's keep going. Yep, there they're all on the surface again over there. It gotta be striper. I just pulled one in from right over there. The camera's not gonna pick it up. It's probably about 100 yards off my bow, but it definitely looks like a striper boil or a slurp. I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but it is directly off my bow. I mean, it looks like a... That can't be carp, it's gotta be striper. Oops. It's right off the bow. About to go right over him. Is the camera picking that up? I'm gonna find out. Look at that. Striper? Yep. That's striper. Wow. That's pretty cool. Fish on. Oh. Ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. That is a big fish. Oh. It's peeling line. Oh man, I gotta land this guy. This is gonna be the fish of the day. I mean, I thought I hit a rock, but I'm in 47 feet of water. He's staying down, so he's got to be striper. He's a big striper. Come on, baby. There's that net. Oh. Oh. What the heck? What is that? What I got? A catfish. What? Oh, no. Oh, look at that. Oh, I got a catfish trolling a shad wrap. It's a fatty too. Oh, no. Well, that was a surprise. Thought I was dragging a big old striper. Nope, catfish. Fish on. Oh, fish on. I was looking at the graph right when that thing hit going. I bet that's it. Yeah, it's just magical sometimes when it happens. Oh, it's a nice one. Staying down. Well, could be a catfish for all I know. But feels like a striper. Big one. Oh, man. It's a striper. Yes, indeed. Nice one, too. Oh, man, I might need that for this guy. Oh. Woo! Man, yes. Striper. Nice one. Nice Lake Mead striper. Oh, yeah. All right, I think I'm going to do one more pass. Then my head in. I'm licked. And I know it's going to be a debacle trying to get the boat out. Maybe not. I hope not, but I don't know. There's a lot of people over there. So one more pass. All right, shad wrap was the ticket today. Pretty much got all my action on that, except for that one catfish. So folks, that's a wrap. Lake Mead did not disappoint, that's for sure. Smallies, stripers, catfish, I'll take it all, man. It was a good day, it was a long day, and I definitely put in the work for sure. So from, upwards of Overton Arm, out to the Temple Bay area, everything in between. We found some fish, very nice. Folks, as always, thank you very much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for sticking with us. Thank you to the patrons. Folks, tight lines. Not much left to say. We'll see you next time. D-Rock out. Adios. Gonna be here for a minute.